King. Who is it? What, bud?
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Get ready for the goofiest and most hilarious animal fails of 2026.
Trixie, she's underneath you.
Bruh.
To anybody having a bad day, just know that Benny put his ball through this hole and he's refusing to leave. So I've been here for 20 minutes trying to push it out of the other side. Look how disgusting this is. Ben! I'm helping!
Unbelievable.
Foxy's not stealing. He's just enforcing the no slow play rule.
What's he doing?
That toy should end up under the fridge forever.
Do you have something to say?
It literally.
You got more to say?
Come on, it's okay. It's okay. Oh my god! Okay, that right there is a prime example. Fainting goat.
This is what happens when you're a bad boy. You get time out. Nope, stay there. Garfield. Thank you. See your brother? Lucius is listening.
You're so handsome. Are you gonna be mean?
This is the professional level of silent treatment.
You gonna be mean? Aww. You're so scary.
Come on then.
Checking if that human has a permit to breathe on his territory. Even the king of the jungle has fear. Learn it, men. I bet he thinks he's reaching the sun. Me as soon as my boss said, all tasks done.
One that likes the rain, can't stand that he's stalled up. Gates open. Hiding from the rain.
Just.
This is your mandatory IT department update. Halt right there.
Oh, she's shaking. It's okay. You're okay. Can I see how many babies you're on? Oh my gosh. Girl, the rabbits are probably hungry.
Yeah, I think we should probably about time to feed the rabbits.
He said, I don't know who this rabbit person is, but Bunny is my bestie.
Or maybe we should go down and feed the bunnies. That's what she said. And you know what? What was that? Okay, Jane.
Huh?
The chicken truly believes it is a member of the peacock family. Neighbor drama is so hot they have to take turns being nosy.
Daisy, that's Bodie's. He does not want you to have that. Oh my gosh, you two.
The entrance fee is 3 treats. Apply to everyone, even cats.
Come on. Come on, bud. Come on. You gotta get up. I swear to God, I'm leaving you laying there this time. I'm not helping you. You did that on yourself. You lay down.
Are you being sassy? Oh, don't do that to Tallulah. Oh no, you're scary. Oh no, you're too scary. You're so scary.
This sheep has invented the mobile organic snack bar. The morning commute just got a serious upgrade. Tell me your cat is sneaky without telling me. Folks, can you feel the brain freeze through the screen?
You so lazy. Yo, let's finish this walk.
You guys hear the geese flying? Sorry, you can't play with them. Hi, Daisy.
Horsey is teaching us how to slide and dine. Definitely checking if the alarm snooze button is still working. Oh yes.
Mowing the lawns. Well, selfie time. There you go. There you go. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Up here. Not me.
I just took him to the mall to hang out.
The mall closes at 9. It's 12 o'clock.
You stopped off for ice cream.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Get ready for the non-stop chaos of our hilarious animals.
Ждет, зай, ждет.
Oh my god, what is that?
These goats still haven't figured out why I don't eat grass.
What is that?
Okay, your head's gotta go in and open the door. Whoa! My gosh, I'm sorry. Did I not feed you first?
Put him in the truck. Look at him.
I got a chip. Here, I'll get down to your level. Come here.
Goat looks like he's at a 5-star spa. Gonna leave a tip. According to Cat Math, you're already so late for dinner.
He loves this little tiny seal. Oh my god, it's a baby burger.
Kevin! It's nighttime, not honk time. Is the door open?
When you come home and your distant cousin comes,
You idiot! Stop doing that! That's my popcorn! Hey, give me my popcorn!
this is why you always scout your escape routes. Bravo!
Come on, buddy. Peanut. Hey, hey. Peanut. Peanut. Just a bit embarrassing. Come on. That's it. Yes.
I bet the captain's having the best sandwich with him.
What are you? Get out of there! What are you doing, crazy?
The stairs just add that extra stadium feel to the match.
Oh my god.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your window.
The rules are simple. No grab, no chew, only hold.
You fat, man. Get back here, fatty.
A reunion of a very confused, very fluffy family. I asked for the fresh grass, Susan. This is a nut.
Орех. Орех. Девочки, соскучились. Мороз был, не выходили. Мороз был, не выходили. Ой, вкусняшку. Иди кушай.
The Uber and the passenger who refuses to get out. This barn ain't big enough for the two of us.
But she's kind of a problem. No, and I hope that she's okay, and I felt super bad, but I'm also like...
We're sleeping on the floor for you. Like, can you stop being so crazy? Like, honestly.
Shut up.
Why you shouldn't pick a fight with Dad's favorite.
Thank you.
Tell me your dog's raised by cats without telling me.
Hey, Frank, I'm still home.
Daddy? Yeah, is he coming out?
Good boy knows he shouldn't talk to strangers.
Good. Come on, come on, come on.
Horsey decided the owner's lap is the official nap cushion.
Come on.
Proof that Mother Nature is a master of cozy design. Well, looks like someone needs to invest in some mini hiking boots.
Stinkt dir das?
Papa.
Smart fish knows the most dangerous place is the safest place.
Ew.
Oh, that's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty. No, I'm evil Kitty, said evil Kitty.
Wow, this birdie's found the best Airbnb, lodging and meals included.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
The dog's like, alright, stop right there. I am not donating my hair.
Huh?
Be careful, bud.
Clearly rehearsing for its lead role in The Phantom of the Aquapera.
Hey, come on, Doug. Hold it right.
Must be a new camouflage technique. I'm impressed. Behold, the great feathered flyer. Let's turn on dramatic entrance music. Fact, most cats don't recognize themselves in a mirror.
I've just woken up in my bedroom. It's so named.
Baby in the window box. Look how cute this is.
The zebra is throwing a full-blown boyfriend tantrum. Distance from my girl, buddy.
In that case.
Getting fish?
The hose is fine, but the other hose clearly has a bad aura.
Mom says these are friends and not chicken tenders. These are friends and not chicken tenders.
Two siblings who have been left alone with the snacks for 5 minutes. The ocean is challenging him to a continuous game of fetch.
Donc, t'as les papates toutes sales. Allez, allez, on essuie les papates. Allez, c'est bien. Encore.
Legend says they're still chasing each other. Proof that my pup is a spy. He's hiding confidential document. The orange cat is auditing your performance. No doubt this is me and my retirement goal. Looks like they're rehearsing for the marine version of Dancing with the Stars.
Oi!
Behold the sacred animal council. Do not interrupt.
Pork. This is pork. This is pork. We would never cook a bird.
The Flappy Bird and the man who said no bird is in the house.
Are you okay there, Duke?
Just chilling with my best woolly friend. He just realized he's a brand. Now he's calculating his merchandising royalties. Someone demands the food quota needs to be respected.
Why have we stopped?
Do you know yaks rely heavily on their sense of smell to locate food? That's all the hilarious fun for now. If you loved these clips, please like and subscribe. See you soon!